Firstly, to make sure your eyeshadow sticks to the eyelid and lasts as long as possible, apply an eyeshadow base. I used Groundwork Paint pot and brushed it all over my eyelid using a flat brush. To blend out the edges of the paint pot, I used a soft blending brush in a back and forward motion through the crease of my eye. This is the 217 brush by MAC Cosmetics. I always start eye makeup with a mid-tone eyeshadow. This way you can build the colour intensity without making too many mistakes. Another tip that I love is to apply the mid-tone eyeshadow with your eyes open, so you can clearly see where the eyeshadow fits in the crease of your eye. For darker eyeshadows, I switch to a flat brush and press each eyeshadow on the outer corner of the eye using a tapping motion. Often it can be quicker to apply darker eyeshadows with a flat brush, then gently blend out the edges with a softer brush, as often flatter, firmer brushes will pick up more product for you. With the excess eyeshadow that's left on your brush, use the very tip of the brush to shade underneath the lower lash line, going back and forward as you blend. This really brings all of the eyeshadow together and you start to get more of a softer, smokier look. Take the gold shimmer eyeshadow and press it into the inner half of the eye. I took the eyeshadow above the inner crease of my eye to really brighten that inner corner, as often I find that area naturally quite dark. I added a few layers of the gold eyeshadow to get it as glittery and as vibrant as possible. Remember to start with light layers of eyeshadow and build it up to get the look that you feel comfortable with. I love a liquid liner to define my eyes and so that it's really thin, just to enhance my lash line. I used a brush tip liquid liner and slowly drew small strokes as close to the lash line as possible. Slower, shorter strokes of eyeliner is much easier than trying to nail your liquid liner in one go. So remember to stop, breathe, and use super slow motions. When it comes to the flick, I look straight ahead with my eyes open, using the eye crease as a guide to help with the placement of the flick. I used a carbon black eye pencil in the waterline for added drama. This is the MAC Black Chromagraphic eye pencil. I finished off the look with a dramatic mascara and also false lashes. With the mascara, I focused on applying it to the outer corner of the lashes, adding more layers of mascara for a winged out lash look. And that's the final eye look using the MAC and Aaliyah eyeshadow palette. I hope that you enjoyed this eye video and learnt some new eyeshadow tips and tricks. And if you'd like to see another video, leave me a message below. Thanks for watching.